Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to remove instance feature on Instagram. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're not aware yet, we have what we call the new feature that Instagram actually introduced. We have instance. Now, the thing with this one, some people actually find this kind of annoying and they don't want to be notified in certain instance on their account. So, how do you actually remove it completely? So in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Instagram app here. You want to go to your profile at the bottom right of your screen, and you want to go and click on the three bar icon that you see at the top right of your screen. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the section that says preferences. Now typically it may be a different wording depending on the version of your app here, but in this case, again, just look for your preferences. So let's just look for it quickly here. So yeah, so you should be able to see it under the what you see section. So go and click on content preferences. Now in here at the very bottom, you should see the hide instance in inbox, so that whenever someone actually does or use instance in their account, you won't be notified of it. So you want to go and just turn this on. And once you've turned this on, you want to go and head back to your main menu in your settings again. You want to go to the very top. You want to look for notifications. And just to be sure, you want to go ahead and just go to the bottom section again and look for instance. Go ahead and click on it and just make sure that these are actually turned off. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and let's go and just turn this on real quickly here. So you want to go and just again turn off instance as you see in here. And once you've done that, you should be pretty much good to go. Now, the thing with instance, these are like features inside the Instagram app. We won't be able to totally remove it, but you can prevent getting notifications from such features. But that's about it. So if you found this video, wait to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.